Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. You are doing best in your life. May Allah bless all of us and may Allah give us the strength to recite more zikr and askar. Istighfar is the most powerful zikr. Istighfar is the key to success. If anybody keeps reciting istighfar daily, abundantly, Allah will help him or her and Allah will make his or her life beautiful. Just believe in istighfar, just keep doing istighfar. A person um, a person said, I am 80 years old and I spent my life happily. I was strong when I was young, and in a start, I was a labor, but I worked hard. And after that, I started my business. I was running my business, and all thing was very good in my life. I got married, I had children, and then my children got married, and now they have children. So my family is really big because I am now grandfather. I have daughters, I have brothers, I have a son, and I have grandsons and grandchildren. So he said, I was very happy, but before few time I got sick, and now I had diabetic and which is uncontrollable. I had BP problem, high blood pressure issue, and I have lungs issue, I have kidney issue. He said, now I am on bed, and I kept working my whole life, but in that period when I'm on bed, I'm suffering a lot. So, what do I do? That person was told to recite istighfar, and even not only you, but your whole family. Keep doing istighfar daily. And the tall man was told to recite at least 7,000 istighfar daily with this intention that Allah will give you health, your diabetic will control, and that your blood pressure will control, and you will spend healthy life in this period. Even you can consider he is 80 years old. So how many disease can he have? Because in that period, so many disease we have, or that we become very weak. So this is the period of life where everybody has to face so many issues. But financially, he was strong, alhumdulillah. So he started doing istighfar. He kept reciting istighfar 7,000 times daily. After 1 week, he realized that his health is improving, and his blood pressure is getting controlled. His diabetic is getting controlled, and now his health is improving. He was happy. Internally, he was feeling strong. Then he sent a message and sent a voice note and told that after reciting Istighfar 7,000 times, not only me, but also my family, my son, my daughter in law, and my grandson, my grandchildren, granddaughter are also reciting Istighfar. We keep doing Istighfar daily. And Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, I'm improving my health, and alhamdulillah my health is improving, and whatever the problem we are facing in our life, in our home, they are solving. And now what I feel in my home, there is a peace, love, and respect for each other. We respect each other more than before, and we start helping each other more than before. Even he further said, whenever there is any problem in house, it is solved immediately. Even sometimes we get the solution of that problem before taking this problem in our life. So he said that I am getting benefits in my life after doing istighfar. He was so happy. He was so grateful to Allah that in that period, in that life when he was on the bed, and now, alhamdulillah, he can walk, he can stand, and he can do all things alone himself. So he was so happy, he was so grateful. So this is what istighfar has everything. Istighfar can change life. Istighfar can give you health. If you are suffering from money, it can give you money if you keep reciting this. But you must recite it abundantly and constantly, regularly, without giving gap. So you will see benefits in your life. Keep doing istighfar. Keep saying astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah whole day. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairah.